Good morning. What are you doing in my private, humble abode? I like most of the YouTubers act like you're literally in their house. I don't think you want to literally be in my house, but because I won't allow it. But here we go. Welcome. So today I'm just gonna take you around with me. Is that creepy? And I'm gonna give you an TTC update. I mean, normally in the past I do them, I like informal sit down, blah 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 blah, and see. I thought I'd throw in some bonus footage of what a day in the life of a Bridget is. And I don't know if you can hear this on camera because I don't know how well the mic is, but you may hear some delightful whining in the background. That's the dogs telling me they want to be fed right now, right this minute. But as you've seen in that beautiful slow motion montage, I'm having some coffee. Cheers. Okay, now I've got the diffuser set, I have my coffee, as you've seen a second ago. I have my piles of laundry to fold. It's probably going to focus in and out because of the lighting. Just ignore the blurriness. This is how I view you guys. Like when you go to the store and you see me and you check out, this is how I view you. Blurry. So yeah, I'm gonna get to some foldings. I gotta do a handful of phone calls, and then we'll delve into the exciting stuff. You look really good, Blurry. Heck yeah. Ignore the fact that I'm blurry. Don't just click away because I'm blurry. Please. I need your love and validation. Just hold it. I'm actually reshooting this clip because I'm like,
that is a really cool place to get ideas.
certain laundry items I don't like showing on camera.
Your take on it.
But you can look at my blue jeans.
What are good lunches that you like? What lunches
I know I'm 30, but underwear. I don't know. And you can hear YouTube in the background very loud. I love YouTube. I'm watching the Gingerleaf family. I'll link their vlog in the description as well. They're very cool. But yeah.
So I'm planning on writing down 5.
Done the laundry. Now I'm gonna do the phone calls. Okay, so at this point in the day, I have done all my phone calls. Finishing up the last of my computer work, and I'm about to set up the living room for filming a video. A video that you've probably already watched because I've already posted it, hopefully. Oh. I try to roll with the punches, you know. Them punches, them rolling. They see me rolling. They hating. You know, like that. Leave a comment below if you remember that song, the year and the artist name. You'll earn brownie points that you can use for what are brownie points for? Oh crap. I never really thought about that. Also, is crap considered a cuss word on YouTube now? They seem like they're getting a little too PC for my taste. But what I do when I film, I just try to make sure I don't use any actual like grown-up cuss words, because I don't have editing software that would allow me to leave out cuss words. I have a very simple, very basic project. I have a very basic editing software, so I can't do things like that. But for being a free software, it does a lot. So that's good. It's good. So I'm gonna finish up with that, and then you'll see me setting up for that video. Yay. Very good. Very good. Okay, so this is what it'll look like. If you hear something in the background, it's I'm watching Cells at work. So I'm all set up for my video. Make it post a bit late because everything else I did today took longer than I expected. But this is the painting I'm repairing. As you can see, the color is faded out here. There's water damage here. I don't know what from though. Faded here. Here. And a few other places. This is an older piece though. It says 09 on it. Meaning this is 9 years old. And I didn't seal it properly. That was my fault. But I will go ahead and touch this up. I hope that at this point you've seen the video and that you enjoyed. If not, I'll leave a link in the description below. I always leave links to my previous videos. Yes. I should also notate, if you notice a time jump in the video of progress, you notice it goes from a certain amount of progress to further along that. It's because I ran out of memory on my memory card. I had to stop, empty the memory card, and then start again. Which is why it took so long. Whoops. And as soon as I'm choking with me. But, what was I gonna say? I forgot, honestly, I don't even know what I'm doing anymore. Sorry, guys. But, probably to chillax for the rest of the evening. We have that video online. And Tuesday, I'm gonna edit this. So it's up on Wednesday. It's Wednesday. I'm gonna spend time with my delightful husband. That'll be fun. I'm not gonna look at my filming schedule, but I may vlog that day. I wrote out a schedule. A revised schedule for September. Alright. I guess the other thing is videos will be going up every Monday and Wednesday for the time being. That exciting stuff. So just no exciting stuff Monday and Wednesday. I'm gonna pause this Because I feel like it's terribly distracting. Maybe a good distracting. Maybe a bad distracting. I don't know. I don't know. But I'm going to put the camera into a fixed position. Whoop. I dropped you guys. Whoops! I think that should be the word of the day. Whoops. But yeah, so the drum roll please. Getting to the what you came here for, maybe? I don't know. You may not care about this. If so, you can skip to the credits, but TTC updates. So, as you probably guessed, I am at the beginning of cycle 2, attempt 2. I'm on cycle day 7. And, yeah, not much is going on. Not much is going on. My visitor is left for the month. My monthly visitor is left. Came on time-ish. 30-day cycle. Wow. I haven't seen those since I was younger, so I guess my health must be improving. Yay. It's probably something people who have struggled with regular cycles would probably emphasize with a little bit more, having a more normal looking cycle is a better indicator of, you know, good ovulation, blah 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 blah. I can't get into that, but my fertile window this month is the 18th through the 24th, and the Ovia app, which I'm using this time around instead of instead of Fertility Friend, puts its guesstimate for ovulation as September 23rd. So that's when I expect to ovulate. Of course, I'm taking temps to this time so that I can get a good read on when that actually happens. As you probably know, the time period just past ovulation, you have a spike in temperature. So it'll go up considerably higher, and then it will stay up for a bit. And if you're pregnant, those temperatures will stay up. You may have a slight dip and then back up again, but they'll stay up. And if you're not, they will, as you draw near to the end of the cycle, those will drop down again. And you'll get your period. Right? That's pretty self-explanatory, I feel anyways. So that's where we're at with that. My side of things, I'm taking my supplements, I'm getting lots of rest, I'm working on my stress levels, doing the things I enjoy to keep myself calm, and keeping my scheduled needs down to a minimum so that I'm not overextended, I'm not overly exhausted. No, the usual. I have, in the course of the summer, I have gone from 175.5 pounds at the beginning of the summer to 151.5 pounds. That's, if you can math, kids, that's 24 pounds. I'm counting. So I'm hoping that'll make it a little bit easier on me. At the very least, it'll make it healthier for me, because There are increased risks when you're overweight and you're pregnant. If there's anything wrong with getting pregnant while you're overweight, it's just there are more increased risk factors, and I wanted to work on my weight for my health anyway, so I don't mind doing that. I did this through the ketogenic diet, so yeah. I think this would be a good point of the day to cut out. The mister will be home from work in a little bit. He's not a big fan, as you can tell from having watched these videos, he's not a big fan of being filmed. Not that he minds it, he just prefers not to be, especially when he's just got off work, he wants to relax. But, as I've said in the beginning part of this video, if you like these videos, and you want to see more, you demand them. Oh, that was creepy. Hit that like button down below. Subscribe, and be sure to turn on the notification bell thing. Notification bell to be the first to know when highs and lows videos are posted. Join our tiny family. My goal for the upcoming months for this channel is to hit 100 subscribers. So if you can help me out with that, share the videos, send the links to your friends, do whatever, subscribe. That would be awesome. I don't expect a lot out of this because this is just my little fun way of sharing my day with you, if you're interested. And I will see you in the next video. It's something very exciting. I'm sure you're all very excited. I'm very excited. And if you want to see more of me in between videos, follow me on social media, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Links in the description below. Same with the Twitch. And I'll see you next time. Bye!